train approaching. That's gotta be the Marc train.
I don't hear no steam.
Sizzle.
What's it?
Look, listen for the real sizzling. Listening. Listening. Whoa. This time, indeed, you're telling the truth. And
Wire!
Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on, Nate. Oh, there goes the metro train distance. And there's one arriving. You can record that. Wait, the rails. They're sizzling. Here it comes. Oh! And there's the Marc train. It's going forward. Oh. Will someone on YouTube please explain to that kid what that will? When I put it on YouTube, will someone please explain in the comments? Will someone please explain in the comment what this train really is going forward? So I can tell Naheem, because he clearly is not getting it. So when I post on YouTube, people, can you please post something like comment it what this train? It's a train going forward, so I can tell Naheem what it really is, because he's clearly not getting it. Anyway. Hey!
You didn't tell me!
Well, you're here now! Whoa, wait. Whoa. Whoa! That Marc train there quickly as soon as it arrived. Like in a hurry. Whoa! It's even fast! Whoa, Marc train, you're in a hurry today! Okay, bye. Okay, whoa, whoa, what's with that train name? That Marc train must be in a hurry or something. Maybe it's running late to Washington, D.C. Maybe it's running late at most trains. As sometimes most trains do. So, maybe... Yeah, for now.